Hi, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can receive subscription payment reminders directly on a WhatsApp, something like this. So we are going to see how we can set up these reminders through this database so that you can receive the reminder messages on your WhatsApp. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to click on this drop down and then we are going to create a new template. So once you click on this, you have an option of setting up the subscription reminder alert. So let's say I'm setting up a subscription reminder for Spotify. Okay, so I'm going to type Spotify. I'm going to specify the subscription amount. So let's say it is $150 and then I'm going to click on back. Okay, so once you do this, you will see that you have a new template added over here. What you need to do next is click on these three dots, click on this repeat and set any mode of repetition that you want to have. So let's say you want to have it repeated every month, you can click over here. So what this will do is it will repeat all this Spotify subscription of $150 or whatever amount you set in each month. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select every month. Once I click on this, it will open up a new window where you can specify the time and since when you want this to start. So today is like 23rd of September. I'm going to specify the time over here. So let's say I'm specifying 11:56. Okay, so right now it's like 11:54. I'm specifying 11:56 over here and I need it to repeat every month. Okay, on a monthly basis I need to repeat every month on 23rd. So on every 23rd it will repeat this exact message on 11:56. Once I click on save, then you can see that you will see this kind of repetition arrow over here. So this means that Spotify subscription reminder alert will automatically repeat every month on 23rd on 11:56. Okay, so now we have set the reminder. So what it will do is it will simply add a new line item over here at 11:56 on 23rd of every month, and after that we will automatically receive the notification alert on WhatsApp. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see, we just saw an addition of Spotify over here and it's 11:56. Now you will receive a notification for a payment reminder of Spotify $150 on a WhatsApp, which will be something like this. As you can see, we will receive this notification every time on 23rd to pay the Spotify subscription amount of $150, and there's also a pay now link in this message which will help you to pay the amount directly through the link that is given below. So I hope this explanation was clear to you, and this is how you can set up any subscription payment reminder alert directly from this Notion database, through which you will receive payment reminder alerts on a WhatsApp and you can pay the subscription amount on time. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and help you clarify the same. One thing to note over here is that the reminder alert that you receive on WhatsApp is completely customizable at your end, so you can completely customize as per your own requirement. There is no such issue of having a fixed template over here. So once you download this template, you will have all the instructions and guide available on how to get this automation going, and it will help you to set up this thing entirely on your own. Thank you.